welcome back to my channel, and welcome to part 3 and the final part to my Halloween Decorate With Me series. Today we are going to be transforming my kids slash hall slash second bathroom into a cute but spooky little Halloween wonderland. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I did this last year for Christmas and I absolutely loved it, and so this year I was like, I really want to do it for Halloween too. So I ordered some stuff at the last minute. It was all very inexpensive. I will link the shower curtain in my description box below. It's from Amazon, and then I think I show you throughout the video, pretty much everything else came from Target except for the little bat light set. That was just from the Dollar Tree. So you can do something really fun for your kids like this for very cheap and also very quickly. This video did not take me long at all to film. That is why it is on the shorter side. I know usually my videos are pretty long and winded. This one is not. So we're going to keep it short and sweet and spooky today. I hope that you enjoy it. By the way, these shower hooks that came with the shower curtain, I put in the trash can because they were horrible. So just note to self, if you do order the shower curtain, just use your existing shower hooks because they were like this flimsy plastic. I don't know what, I wouldn't even call them shower hooks. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to decorating. I'm just starting with taking off my current shower curtain and bath mat and getting them in the wash and getting the new one up, and we will go around the room from there. Okay, how cute is this pumpkin diffuser? I absolutely love it. If you are into essential oils, you have to get this. I think it was only like $40, and it actually is from a new company that two of my favorite YouTubers have, I guess, like collabed on to start, called Inspired By. They are Tiffany Beeston and Jessica Spires. If you are not familiar with them, I will link their channels in my description box below. I'm pretty sure I can do that. And also, I think the information on their new shop is on their Instagram. So check them out. Tiffany Beeston, she's a mom of four, and if you like this kind of content, like mom life type stuff and cleaning and decorating and organizing, you will love her channel. She is a true professional. She's been on YouTube for like, I think 5 or 6 years, and she's kind of like the first YouTuber that I ever discovered as far as these types of channels go. And I love her. And Jessica Spires, she is a holistic nutritionist, and she just has like a treasure chest full of amazing, valuable information on health and wellness and healthy recipes and balancing your hormones and just all of that good stuff. So if you are into wellness and things like that, you will absolutely love her too. She's such a sweet lady. So check out their links in my description box and their Instagram accounts if you well, obviously if you want the diffuser, but also just, I think you'll really like their content. Okay, I just wanted to take a quick second to mention I love these paper bats. They were only $1 from the Target dollar spot, and they have worked like perfectly in my living room on that wall. But you'll see I'm gonna put them on the mirror in my bathroom, and they do not stay. So I don't know if it's maybe just the condensation from people taking showers, or maybe even my diffuser. But I ended up, after I, filmed all this, I did move them over to a wall in my bathroom, like above the hand towel rack, to see if they'll stay better up there. Hopefully they do, but I just wanted to throw that out there. Like, I know some people I see put them on mirrors, so it's probably just a different kind, or they're using something else to stick them up there to get them to stay, but I didn't feel like messing with it. I just moved them. So wanted to let you know. Also, the candy corn flower picks from my last scene or whatever, they are also from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to say that as well, because in the beginning I said everything was from Target except for the lights at the end, and that's not true. The candy corn picks are also from Dollar Tree. Alright, so these dang bat lights ended up needing batteries, and then when I put the batteries in, they barely lit up, so don't really recommend. They are cute, but if you're looking for a light set that actually like lights up or twinkles or something, these are not the ones, but hey, they're from the Dollar Tree, so you get what you pay for. And actually, these are not the lights that are intended for the bathroom anyway. I ordered some from Target that didn't come in time, but they are coming in today on Thursday, which is when I'm doing this voiceover. So I think I'm going to have time to get them in there and film a little clip of them in the dark and the whole bathroom in the dark at the end, and insert it at the end of this video so that y'all can see what I actually intended to be in there, because they're way cuter. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that, and that is gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna do a little overview of everything, and like I said, insert that clip of everything in the dark if I'm able to. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think, and give this video a thumbs up. This is going to complete my Halloween Decorate With Me series, like I mentioned in the beginning. So the next thing we'll be decorating for will be Christmas, but for me, it's going to be a little while for that, because I'm somebody who loves fall and I enjoy it all the way through Thanksgiving. So I will not be decorating on November 1st, like I know so many people do. That's just not how I roll. But all you fall lovers, I hope that you will come back. I have still our Disney Halloween vacation to share with y'all, as well as lots of fall fun. We went to the fair. We're going to the pumpkin patch this weekend. We're doing a Hocus Pocus watch party. So lots of fun Halloween and fall content still to come. So please come back. And in the meantime, check out my previous videos, and I will be uploading again on Monday. I was doing Wednesdays and Fridays, and Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I'm now switching to Fridays and Mondays. So I know that not many people are like marking that on their calendars, but I just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there, and I will see y'all in the next one.